Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Finance for Beginners. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to log into your Fusion Payroll. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your browser, then go to your default search engine. Then search Fusion Payroll Login. Scroll down a little bit, there you can see Fusion Employer Service. Click on it or directly go to www.fusionemployerservice.com. It will then take you to the official website of Fusion. Then from the top right corner you can see login option. There click to employee login. Then it will redirect you to a login page. It might take a while to load the page up. Once the page has been loaded up completely, enter your username and a password. To see your password you can click to show button here. Once you have entered your login credentials, click to login. Then you should be able to access your Fusion Payroll. If you have forgot your username or password, you can get help by clicking to forgot username or forgot password. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.